in software development? With the rapid growth of digital products, mobile applications, and automation tools, software developers are in higher demand than ever. Companies need programmers who can create, test, and deploy applications efficiently in real-world environments. At Medhavi Skills University, the BCA in software development trains you to meet this demand. Master programming languages, application development, testing, and collaborative software engineering through hands-on projects and practical labs. Benefit from paid on-the-job learning opportunities that give you real workplace experience. Experience a 70% skill-based curriculum that adapts to the evolving software landscape.
My OGL taught me how to work like an actual developer. It was intense, but gave me the confidence and clarity about my career path.
Be a part of the only university in Sikkim with paid OJL, integrated into the curriculum, and also ensuring 100% of student applicants receive government scholarships. Join the BCA in software development, where coders become creators.